So once you've exhausted your sphere of influence, where do the leads come from? You've called everybody in your database, you've called all your friends, you've exhausted all of those options. Now where do you get leads? If you took me and you planted me in a new city, the first thing that I would do would be do open houses every single day I could. Now granted, during the weekdays, you're probably not going to get very good turnouts, but if you're doing 2 open houses, Saturday and Sunday, every single week, you are going to get in front of buyers and sellers. Not just buyers, you're getting in front of buyers and sellers. Another thing you could do is door knock. Now, when you're a new agent, you've got time on your hands, but when you're an experienced agent, you've got money. So if I was an experienced agent, the first thing I would do is explore lead generation, buying leads, buying systems, buying processes, putting my money into building the business. But as a new agent, it's tough. You don't have the money to put in there, so you gotta utilize your time. Spend as much time as possible on your business. Get out there, get in front of buyers and sellers. The only way you're gonna get in front of buyers and sellers is by being where they're at. You could develop your sphere of influence as much as you want, but at the end of the day, getting in front of buyers and sellers, and that's open houses. Those are the people that are actually out looking to buy or sell houses. So that's what I would do as a new agent. But if I was an experienced agent, spending money on lead generation and spending money on it in the right ways. Find somebody who does a really good job with lead generation and ask them what they do and copy what they do.